Vlogmas day 4. All right, since we are still on having healthy drink, so we are going to be doing today smoothie. Okay, I had this already in my fridge. This is watermelon, and this is apple. Okay, and this is banana. So, and I'm going to be putting a little of this lemon, a sprinkle of it in the smoothie. Remember, I'm still advising that you should do healthy drink, please. This December and in 2026, just try to do a healthy drink. All right. So I'm going to be blending this and I want us to do it together. So you have a healthy drink. You're welcome to this channel. Please kindly subscribe. I'm so happy to see you. Thank you for watching my videos. I really don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. Please comment, like, and share my videos. Thank you. So this your girl can grow in this channel. All right. So we are going to be diving into it. Let's just go ahead. It's going to be a quick one. Okay. You might have your own different mixture of the kind of smoothie you want to do, what you want to use. Okay. So, but me, I'm going to be using, let me bring this down a little. Okay, I'm going to be using this, just few of this. All right, so it's actually not expensive. Okay, so if you look at how the money you spend in doing soda drink and getting sick than doing this and cheap. Okay, it's actually very cheap. Okay, so let's just try to stay healthy. I've washed this already, so I'm going to be going ahead to slice them into my blender to grind it, to grate it. All right, so what I have inside here already actually grated, this is ginger. I want to see how it's going to taste. If I had ginger in my smoothie, how is it going to taste? All right, so I've actually not done this before. So this is ginger already in the blender. I actually blended it already. Okay, so I'm slicing my apple. This is my apple. I'm slicing it inside so we can start the blending. All right, this is my apple that I'm actually cutting inside. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to blend them together. Yeah, that's my apple. Okay, so I'm going to be taking, yeah, this is, let me take out some because I think I'm going to be blending this twice. I'm going to be doing this twice, so I won't stress the blender too much. Okay, all right, so this is my watermelon. And I'm going to be adding banana. I've already washed it, but I just want it to be very neat. So I'm doing this again. So that's my banana that is going in there. Quite cheap, cost effective, quite cheap. So you can do it. You can do it, seriously. Put it in your fridge. Anytime you're thirsty, go to your fridge and take it and drink. If you don't have a fridge, just go ahead and do the one you can consume. Seriously, you can consume. It's more healthy. All right, since I'm going to be doing this twice, I think let's just go ahead to grind this. Let me peel everything out and keep it for the next grinding. It doesn't take time. It does not take time. So don't give me any excuse why you're not taking an healthy drink. Please don't give me any excuse because there is no excuse. No excuse. So go ahead and do an healthy drink for yourself. Okay? I'm going to be adding a little water So I'm going to be adding a little water to it, so it will be flexible, it will be able to grind very well. As I said, I've not used this before. I just want to add a little of it, lemon. Let's see how it's going to taste. Just a little of it. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Yeah, a little of it. I'm done. So we'll just be grinding it together. Then it's a smoothie. We are not going to be sipping any of this. We'll just drink it that way, exactly the way it is. All right. So let's add water so we'll be able to grind it. Just be careful with the water you add, so you still have to enjoy it. All right. Let's go back to where we are going to grind it. Let's do it together. Okay. So this is the blender seated here already. Okay, let me just adjust this. So let's go ahead to grind it now. So it's actually smoothie, so we have to grind it very well, because we are not taking away any sharp, we're just drinking it direct that way. So we have to grind it very well for it to be for the sharp to dissolve and everything. So that's why I'm going back the second time. Last time. So we are good. We just have to put it in the bottle and put it in the fridge. We have more healthy drink. Okay guys, so let's turn it together. Okay, so let's turn it to put it in our fridge. Oh my god, did you see the consistency? Did you see how amazing it is? Wow. Wow. So tell me why you're not drinking healthy drink. Tell me why you can't just do this in few minutes. Tell me why. Please, can you stop taking soda and start drinking healthy drink? This is smoothie. Just, I think, 4 items. Just done. Cheap. It's not expensive. Thank you so much for staying with me and watching this video to this moment. I appreciate you. Kindly subscribe. I love you all. Bye.